Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pinto Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good, and in today's video I'm going to show how to make bulinas, which is coconut and semolina based cookies. These are traditional Goan cookies. In a simple way, without much effort, you all are going to learn how to make bulinas. You can bake them fresh at home. So let's get started. So in order to start, in order to make the bulinas, I've taken 500 grams of semolina. First thing what you have to do is you have to dry roast it for at least 3 to 4 minutes on a medium flame. This is how you have to dry roast the semolina. Guys, check this out. After 4 minutes, this is ready. Now I'm going to turn off the flame and set it aside to let it get cooled down. So our next step is to grind coconut. As to, without adding any water, just coarsely grind. You don't have to make it fine. I have taken 2 coconuts medium. So let's coarsely grind them. So now let's start with the mixing process. Take a vessel, add 3 tablespoons of ghee, or you can even use butter. But ghee is a better option. Or you can even use a mixing bowl if you prefer a mixing bowl. Now let's add 450 grams of sugar, 6 egg yolk, whisk it till the sugar dissolve. It takes at least 5 to 6 minutes. Mix it thoroughly. Now once the mixing is done, add salt to taste, pinch of cardamom powder, add coconut and semolina and mix this well. Check the salt and sugar taste. If you want more sugar, you can add more. If you think it's less salt, you can add more salt in that as per your taste. Now this mixture is ready. You have to leave it overnight. You can keep it in the fridge, or you can just leave it outside, but due to the ambient temperature, now there are chances of getting it spoiled, so it's better to keep it in the fridge for overnight. Now let's give them shapes. Take the mixture, apply oil or butter or ghee to your palm. Slightly press little bit. This is how it should be, and then with the help of a knife, just press little bit on top. This is how it should be. I check this out. These are ready. Now I will put this in the oven. Temperature should be at least 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. But often you need to check. When it has golden brown in color, they are ready at 180 degrees Celsius. So let's bake them now. Guys, check this bulinas, how lovely they are. This is how bulinas are made. Check this out. This is how it should be. Crispy from outside and soft from inside. Check the color. Guys, please follow each and every step to make bulinas and get this right. You can make this at home. Thanks for watching and God bless you all. Thank you very much.